meron na kaming sitcom na gagawin. Kasama si Mommy. Si How How was also pinag-aaralan maging part ng cast. Pero binubuo na, before pandemic. Kumbaga, tatlo or apat na pandemic na yon. Tatlo or apat na format na sitcom na. As in, nag-present na sa amin. Tapos hindi natuloy one, tapos si How How. Kasi siguro, we were looking for a different story. Kasama dapat si Mommy talaga. And sana ako, namimiss ko ang sitcom. Ang huli kong sitcom was Home Sweetie Home. Na ang dami kong ginagawang show, pero yun yung pahinga ko. Kasi the fact na nakasama ko si Kuya Bayani, si Bong, si Alex, si Tony, tumatawa ako sa eksena. So sana yung saya ng isang sitcom, magawa ko with How How.
Way na, excited kami mapanood yan. Congrats!
Thank you, Janice! May tanong dapat si Salve Luis. Kaso naman tanong na ni Janice,
Okay.
yung plans for a second baby.
Yes.
Sana yung...
Kumbaga, ang initial namin na sinabi before, was sabi ko nga, napag-usapan namin after the elections.
Okay.
Pero may blessing siyang ginawa, which is sins of the Father. So kumbaga, I want everything to settle muna.
Tama.
Kung sakasakali man. It's a big leap once again.
That's right.
Diba, one child is already a big leap. And gusto namin, proper timing lang.
Right. Ayan si Salve, ayan. Salve, magpakita ka.
No rush, 33 pa lang naman po.
Hindi ko masagot na may lang, di ba, sa akin.
Ano bang age gap nyo, if you don't mind, Luis?
I'm 44.
11 years.
11.
44.
May merong big difference yun? Like, 11-year age gap.
Nalampasan na namin, siguro for a while, and siguro that was only for about 6 months to a year. Yung time na, although never naman siya gumimik ng sobra, but there were nights na kaya niya magpuyat, na sinasabi niya, grabe no, ikaw inaantok ka na, ako kaya pa. Tapos ngayon, kasama ko na siya. It's a tie na.
The reason why I asked kanina yung inyong age gap, because some of your answers kanina, it takes a lot of maturity to go through that, yung understanding the differences, going through the relationship, navigating the married life, di ba? So
Being
it takes,
parents.
exactly. So, okay, ang next si Bobby Regentina.
Ayan.
Maganda.
Good afternoon.
Two questions. Number one, Luis, 2013, 2023, talagang sinabi mo na ayaw mo talaga mag-host ng pageants.
Yes.
Baka nagbago na ngayong 2025 dahil nanganganak ng pageants.
Bakit ba ayaw mo ng pageant?
Kasi mas ibibigay ko yon sa mas competent or mas magaling sa akin. Kasi ako kasi obviously na ang equity ko when it comes to hosting is makulit ako. I'm more of a comedic host. Yun yung atake ko. Now, for pageant, dati pa sila nagtatanong, alam niya, like what I mentioned, the different pageants, they would always ask, pero at the end of the day, alam ko, baka mangulit ako sa stage. It happened before, ikwento ko, alam naman na lahat to, na there was one binibini, kung hindi ako nagkakamali, the host was Miss Tony Gonzaga.
Yes.
Tapos, di ba si Tony made it light? Nangulit si Tony. In fact, if I'm not mistaken, Tony was given instructions na mangulit ka, make it light for the ladies. Kasi I'm sure kabado sila on stage. Maraming tao ang hindi naka-appreciate sa hosting, sa cult ni Tony doon. And that's a lady to another lady. Paano pa pag lalaki ang gumawa, baka mas marami ang mag-react ng hindi maganda. Na if may mga punchline ako about the girls, di ba? So parang di ko na ilalagay yung sarili ko sa alanganin. Plus, maraming mas magaling sa akin pagdating sa pageant hosting. But with that being said, isa sa pangarap ko, and I mean this, hindi to joke or anything, ang dream ko i-host, in fact, I was talking to someone last night about this, ang dream ko i-host, yung masaya at nakakatawang Miss Gay.
Kakaloka si Luis.
Totoo yan, totoo yan.
Mag-judge ako.
Totoo yan. I mean it from the bottom of my heart. Yun ang gusto ko. Yung gusto ko yung
May mga Miss Gay Galactica.
Yun.
Mga ganyan.
I swear, gusto ko yun yung may kulitan, yung pwede kayo mag-asaran with a contestant.
Ayun,
Yun,
ganda.
dream ko talagang gawin yan. And I mean that. I really, really mean
How
that.
about Jessie? How about may offer na for you to host pageants with Cecilia?
Ano, again, sa mas may kapasidad na lang siguro. Pero kung judge, as a judge, pwede naman din. Pero as host, siguro kung host, pwede. But I never really tried yung mga serious hosting din. palagi akong very casual lang or very fun shows lang. So maybe in the future, we'll never know. Pwede rin pala sumali ng Miss Universe ng mga nanay, di ba?
Yes,
Para
oo.
ipalawalang
Wow, ah.
Hindi mo malang ako in-inform.
Kasi bawal Jesse, kasi may mga celebrities na in-offer eh, na Miss Universe, gano'n. Would you,
Are you open?
Ano po yun? Sorry.
Miss Universe daw. Since
Mrs.
nasa-
oh.
Actually, merong Mrs. Universe.
Yes.
There's a Mrs. Universe, Jessie.
Oh, talaga?
Meron.
Good to know.
Ano ba mga in-invite ka to join?
Tingnan po natin.
Ako yung may banner doon, di ba? Pag kinakunan yung audience, ako yung may banner. Sabi mo nga, Philippines!
Jessie Mendiola Manzano, Philippines!
Wow!
Okay, last question. Aside from world peace, ano ang Christmas wish ninyong dalawa?
How sure are you na world peace
Yes.
na yung kasama sa kanila? Wish.
Baka kasama nyo.
Ang aking Christmas wish, of course, peace lang din talaga for my family, for my husband, for everyone else. But you know, marami din talaga nangyayari ngayon. And my wish is, you know, sana amidst all the chaos, of course, marami pang hindi nakakabangon sa sunod-sunod ng mga bagyo, sa mga calamities. So, sana kahit paano, maramdaman nila yung warmth this season. And para sa akin, mas importante yung maramdaman man lang nila na yung pagmamahal, diba, yung warmth, and mahirap din kasi na mag-wish na, uy, sana lahat masaya, kasi hindi naman din talaga lahat yung season. Pero dadasal ko lang talaga na kahit kaditing lang ng peace, maramdaman ng mga tao. Of course, personally, para sa pamilya ko, good health lang talaga. And you know, we're very blessed. We're blessed in so many ways, you know, with love, with work, career, and with each other. Actually, parang sa totoo lang, for myself, wala na rin ako masyadong hiniin pa. Nagpapasalamat na lang din talaga ako. Kasi siguro naman, no, sa dami na rin ng beses na magkakasama tayong lahat, parang lately naman, napapansin nyo rin naman na, ang ganda ng aura ni Jessie, no? Masaya siyang tao. Kasi talagang masaya po ako.
Sir Luis?
No, exactly the same. With everything going on, di ba? Minsan, ayaw mo na lang mag-social media, ayaw mo makipag-usap sa ibang family members mo. But, no, but basically, you just want everything right to fall into place. Everyone will feel appreciated, everyone will feel loved, and, you know, peace on a personal level, and peace for the whole nation as well.
Thank you.
Thank you, Bobby. Actually,